Genji Waterfall. Chosen as one of the 8 most beautiful sites in the Kitano region of Japan, Genji Waterfall is overflowing with the beauty of nature. Standing at 18 meters tall, it's said that the ghost of a small child who fell from the waterfall and died occasionally appears in the riverbed below. A long time ago in Kitano, a beautiful princess named Genji and her younger brother Umichio lived here. The two of them were captured by a female bandit who took them up the mountain. On the way, Umichio died, and in her grief, Genji stabbed the bandit in the chest. However, it turned out that the bandit was in reality Genji and Umichio's real mother. Princess Genji fell into despair and threw herself from the top of what is now Genji Waterfall. At night, crying can be heard from the rock at the bottom of the waterfall. Genji no Taki, Genji Waterfall, is one of the healing spots in Kitano and has many coming to pray in front of it. The place is completely quiet. Just listen to the sounds of the wind and the water. The most beautiful time of year to visit is from the end of November to the beginning of December.